Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I've got a really great video. I'm going to be talking about from hoodies to performance tees, why sportswear print on demand is your 2026 goldmine. We're going to jump right into it, and this is all about sportswear plus print on demand for 2026, and I'm going to show you how to do it the exact right way. And there have been a lot of advancements in printing, talking about DTF, direct-to-film printing, and this has enabled and unlocked print-on-demand companies to start offering amazing quality premium brands with sportswear. I'm going to be showing you, I'll actually do an unboxing and show you a little sample that I ordered as well, because with print-on-demand, now you get to sell premium sportswear from some of the top brands in the world. I'm talking about Nike, Champion, Under Armour, Sport Tech. You're now going to be able to add these brands into your Shopify store with print on demand. And a really popular strategy right now for big Shopify stores is to partner with Gelato print on demand and get access to that DTF printing, direct to film printing, for all types of premium, hot selling sportswear. And you want to do this right now because streetwear, sportswear, the type of products that I'm going to show you, super popular, absolutely exploding as a vertical, and this new DTF technology gives a fresh angle in terms of giving you new products in your store, new print qualities that are going to absolutely blow your customers away. I'll show you a real world example as well, and then we're going to go over the shoulder. It's all about premium products. And why do you want to have premium products and premium brands like Nike and Under Armour in your store? Well, you have a higher perceived value, and that means higher sales prices and higher profit margins. The bottom line is with premium products, sportswear, and DTF with Gelato, you're simply going to make a lot more money with print on demand. And the time to do this is right now. It's absolute perfect timing with fitness season approaching. Think about all the New Year's resolutions and people starting the new year off on the right foot. They're going to need some nice premium sportswear to go with it. And as long as you use Gelato, you're going to be able to add this into your store. And I highly recommend using Gelato. It's what I use for my print on demand. It's what I highly recommend to all of my students. And you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you more. This is Gelato, and you see the link directly below this video. Again, highly recommended. DTF, direct-to-film printing, is now live on Gelato. It enables you to have all of these super premium sportswear print-on-demand products in your store with super vibrant, durable printing. And again, I'll show you an example. Tons and tons of benefits of using DTF. Like I said, durability, fabric versatility, allowing us to have these new premium products, super vibrant colors, and you're going to see it just looks amazing. It's super high quality, and it's going to, like I said, unlock those super premium brands that I'll show you as we go in there. And Gelato does it all, right? They have DTF, they have DTG. No matter what you need, they're going to have the right printing method for you. And this is really all about sportswear and active fits. Now we can have our activewear library unlocked in our print-on-demand store on Shopify. Sport Tech, A4, Under Armour, Nike, it's all available now. You see polos and premium wear, sports tech shirts, everything with that DTF printing with Gelato. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. You're going to go inside my account and see just how easy it is to add some premium sportswear into your store. I'm inside of my Gelato account, and I'm adding a new product. And all you need to do is select DTF over here. You see the different technologies that are selectable. We're going DTF, direct to film. And we see over 100 different print-on-demand products that we can do with DTF. They're always adding more. And of course, we see our staple products like our hoodies and our t-shirts. We see some of the brands that we love, like Comfort Colors, Gildan. But we're going to see some premium brands like Sol's. Come over here, and we also have some kids sizes. We have Just Hoods. Scroll down here more. We have hats as well, ringer tees, V-neck tees, and we could even start to see some of the big brands. We have Tri-Blend over here, Bella Canvas, a lot of different selections, Lane 7, which is a great brand as well for these premium sportswear products. eCommerce is available, of course, Champion, and you see that world-famous Champion C on the arm. Just keep scrolling down, and we just have product after product, all DTF over here. rabbit skins on the toddler size, next level, which is super, super popular. Literally, the list goes on and on and on. We can just continue to scroll through here. We see Threadfast. We see Nike over here. And in fact, we can come back up on top and even drill down in terms of branding. Right? We see all the different brands that are available. How about Under Armour, when you want something premium for sportswear? What about Sport Tech, which is super popular? And Nike, right? I'll show you these brands right inside here. Sport Tech, Nike, Under Armour, hats, shirts, tank tops. You want it, you've got it now in your print-on-demand store. And let's go ahead and add a Nike product directly into our store, right? Literally, our Shopify store now can have print-on-demand premium brands, in this case, Nike. And you see that world-famous swoosh is going to be on your print-on-demand design now inside your Shopify store. And this is just like creating any other print-on-demand design now. We go ahead and we select our design. We'll go ahead and choose our design. I'll go ahead and select this one. Of course, we could reposition it, make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever we want. I'll just go ahead and there, I'll center it so it looks nice. You could choose different colors as well. I'm going to go with white because it looks good with this design, but you see the full range of Nike colors that you can get. So you could also add a back print over here, and remember, it's going to have that Nike Dry Fit printed neck tag and the arm sleeve right here with the Nike swoosh. So we're getting that amazing branding in our store. We'll come on over into mockups. These are super important, as we know. We're going to select model mockups for our store and be able to get some really, really nice looking mocks in our store. Of course, they're going to focus on our design and on that Nike arm sleeve, which is super cool. Come over here to details. This is going to be where we enter in our product description and our product title. So I'll come over here. So I put in our title over here. We've got our description. You can customize this, but you see that they bring in the Nike description automatically in this product, so we're going to stick with that. We've got our sizing chart that comes automatically. We're going to set this to show products to store visitors. Means it's basically going to be live as soon as we publish it. We'll go to our prices here. We're going to see our prices. We're going to set this at $59.99. For all of the prices, we're going to make about $30 every single time we sell this Nike Performance t-shirt. So we'll update all of our prices and we'll continue to review, take a look at all of the details, and we'll click publish. It's really that easy, right? Under Armour, Champion, Sport Tech, Nike. You can now add those into your store with Gelato Print on Demand. So let me show you the product in my store, and then I'll go ahead and order one so I can show you the quality. Okay, just like that, a Nike product now in my store. You see my Big P logo that I added as the print on demand design. You simply add whatever design you want, and now you have a product on a Nike shirt or Under Armour or Champion or Sport Tech. Really, it's up to you. You see some really nice mock-ups here as well. And we're going to actually place an order for this. I'll go ahead and order this shirt and do a little unboxing, show you the quality of Gelato Print on Demand. And here it is. It literally just arrived. Took it out of the package, and you see that DTF print, super sharp, right on there. And of course, this is a Nike tee, so we're getting those premium prints here. And again, I'll go a little bit closer. You can see that super nice DTF print right over here. It's got the Nike tag on the inside as well, and on the neck. So definitely a really great quality product, super soft, and you'll be able to have the Nike brand in your store among some other premium brands with Gelato. So that was Gelato, and that was DTF printing with some really, really premium brands. And you want to get that sportswear in your store. The time to do it is absolutely right now. Highly, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But otherwise, jump into Gelato Print on Demand. Get some of these premium sportswear brands in your store. Utilize that DTF printing, and I hope this helps you make a ton of money. And I'll see you in my next video.